What's the laziest way to make money with AI as a beginner? Well, after making over $10 million online in the past few years, I have to say that AI has made getting rich more accessible than it's ever been.
Everybody sees those crazy AI videos and thinks, yep, that's my exit plan. Bye-bye, boss. Hello, freedom.
So today, I'm going to share the 5 most popular AI business models and compare them against each other to see which one is the best for someone just getting started. And the first one I want to talk about is called AI content creation. If you haven't seen it already, AI content has completely taken over the internet.
But slow down, superhero. Not every AI side hustle is built for humans who come home after work looking like unplugged Wi-Fi routers. Some of these models need money, like sell your car and maybe your cousin money. Others need time. And let's be honest, you barely have enough time to microwave dinner. AI content creation looks easy, but it's also the most unpredictable cousin in the family.
With just a few clicks, you can make the craziest hyper-realistic video about anything. And the best part is that you can get paid for it. Let me show you an example of what I'm talking about.
If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.
So I know the person that's running this TikTok account, and they are making over $10,000 a month with the dumbest videos I've ever seen in my life. Basically, what they do is make these crazy.
So before you accidentally choose the build an AI software company for $30,000 path, let me show you the big trap beginners fall into next.
Excuse my handwriting, it's really bad. When most people think about getting rich with AI, this is what they're thinking of. Building the next ChatGPT and becoming some mega billionaire and retiring on a yacht in the south of France. Without a doubt, this business model will get you richer than just about anything I'm gonna talk about today. But trust me, it's not without its flaws. This is hands down the most expensive business model of them all.
Bro, AI software is not a side hustle. It's a full-time stress simulator. You need money, developers, patience, and possibly emotional support. This is the kind of business that eats beginners alive. But here's the plot twist. There is a model that works for normal humans who get tired at 4 p.m.
For you to launch even an extremely basic AI software, it's gonna cost you upwards of $30,000 just to get things up and running. And that's not counting marketing expenses or other team costs. So the cost for this business is very high.
I will tell you more about it in a moment. Basically, we do digital marketing. We use AI, we use automation, and in our 99% done for you program, we help beginner 9-to-5ers and business owners like yourself earn high-ticket affiliate commissions like this. And the program is 99% done for you. If you're thinking how you can start with the free training video. Just go to moshbarry.com or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio to watch the full training video. It has 2 parts. In the first part, I will show you how we run our digital marketing business with AI. And in the second part, we will show you our program and how we can help you make this kind of passive commissions. So it's absolutely free to watch training. Go ahead, watch the training video. And if you have any question, DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions.
I would also say that the difficulty for this business is the highest of anything on this list by far. You have to come up with an idea that the marketplace wants, manage a team to get it all built, and then market it to the masses. So why am I including?
And that's where things get exciting, because the next step is the AI business that actually makes sense for beginners with no time and no budget.
A little more beginner friendly, like AI commerce. This is the best business model for beginners who want to make money with AI by far. AI commerce is simply using AI tools to sell products online. E-commerce has been around for years, and it's the business that changed my life 5 years ago and maybe my first million after being over $30,000 in debt.
Because finally, there's a system where AI does the heavy lifting for you. It finds your product, builds your store, writes your ads, and basically hands you sales on a silver platter. Even a 17-year-old with $38 pulled off $10,000 in 30 days. Meanwhile, you're here praying your salary hits the bank on time. This is the first model that actually respects your 9-to-5 life instead of destroying it.
I've always believed in e-commerce, and I've always known it to be one of the best opportunities that exist on the internet today. And thanks to the introduction of AI, everything became 10 times easier when it comes to building your own store. So if I had to start over again from $0, this is exactly what I would focus all of my attention on, no question. In fact, I just used this same exact method to take a 17-year-old kid named Daniel, who only had $38 to his name, to making his first $10,000 online in just 30 days, fully with AI commerce.
And the best part, once this thing starts cooking, the money comes in even when you're ignoring your phone. And that is what we're diving into next.
It becomes extremely complicated and is almost impossible without building incredibly advanced systems or a huge team to handle your operations. So for that reason, I put the potential of this business on the lower end in comparison with the other options that we discussed today. And out of all the businesses, it's the least laziest because you have to always be on call for your clients no matter where you are in the world or what you're doing.
Because this is the dream, right? A business that doesn't care if you're at work, eating lunch, or arguing with your boss in your head. AI commerce doesn't need you glued to a laptop. Once it's set up, the sales keep rolling like your boss's unnecessary emails. This is the first time a beginner-friendly business actually behaves like passive income without the scam vibes.
So I think the clear winner out of these 4 businesses has to be AI commerce. It's the most scalable, it's the least amount of effort, and in my opinion, it is the best business model for people with a low level of experience.
Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9-to-5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program, and our program is 99% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training, completely free to watch training, and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step program. It will answer most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this breakdown. If you want to get your own AI store built for 100% free, make sure to click the link in the description. The $100,000 giveaway is ending very soon, and I want you to have.
And that's exactly why AI commerce wins the entire challenge. So let me wrap this up with the final takeaway you need before starting. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.